Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link PayPal with a bank account. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the PayPal app on your home screen. Now open it. Now here you can find the option of 3 straight lines at the top left corner. Go ahead and select it. Next, here you can find the option of add banks and cards. Simply go ahead and select it. Now to add the bank account, simply tap onto the banks. Then to add the bank account, simply tap onto the Go to our website button right here. After opening the website, you will see the sites to add to your bank account. And simply you need to continue with this. And that's it. This is how you can link the bank account to your PayPal account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.